You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A very common word in English, but many people mispronounce it. So let's break down how to say it correctly, the pronunciation of the word beautiful. Let's break it down. Beau, B-U, beau. You could spell it B-Y-O-O, beau. Alright, so the initial part of it comes from French beau, which means beautiful, in fact. So that's why you have this weird spelling, but that's to be pronounced beau. The second syllable is t, and the last one is full. The stress is on the first syllable. Beautiful. Now, American English would say a bit more with a flap T that sounds more like a D. Beautiful, beautiful in American English, beautiful, or beautiful in British English in the UK. Now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.